Good evening. Good evening, Carrie.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Who
Good
are
evening,
these
good evening.
people? 1, 2,
Okay,
3, 4.
I will leave it to him to give you his introduction so that you can know him better.
Okay.
Daily in and out.
Mhm.
Our policy is very simple. Okay, you bring your gold to our office, or you bring it to go to Sam Dubai, which is the refinery. Go there, give it. Just say it is of our company. Okay, whatever the certificate comes within once the certificate comes in next 2 hours, you want cash, you take cash. You want this thing. What do you say?
It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work.
1 minute. Then I'm sorry, ma'am. That is the only way we can work.
Well, I'm sorry. The gold cannot leave. Hang on. The gold cannot leave the country of origin without export documentation in the name of the buyer. So if your uncle wanted us to bring gold to him, we don't know you and you don't know us, so you need to travel. You need to come in the office. We don't bring the gold to any stranger. If your uncle's policy is like that, I'm sorry, we don't do business like that. We have an office. My seller, my head office has an office. We don't come to any stranger. If your uncle buy gold to Conakry, he has to place an order. How many quantity he needs, and we want to know his credential. If your uncle doesn't meet the criteria, then thank you very much. Have a nice day. That's all.
Yeah, same thing. Same thing. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you very much. Bye. Well. This buyer, they think that gold will come to them. It wouldn't. The buyer, you, Mr. Buyer, you've been searching. I've been talking to 4 joker broker. They didn't meet the criteria. Why? Because they wanted my head office to bring the gold to them. We don't know. We don't know who is the buyer. You never know the buyer is crook. Most Indians are crook. My seller lost already 24 million for trusting the buyer, and the buyer also lost the money. So I have to screen the buyer properly. Those buyers that are asking us to bring gold to them, no, we don't. You have to place an order. You have to introduce yourself, who you are. We want to know your credential, your business registration, a copy. We want to see it. Importation license, we want to see it. Passport copy, we want to see it. The proof of fund. This four joker broker didn't meet the criteria. And I told him, good luck and have a nice day. Simple as that. So you, Mr. Joker Broker, if you think that the gold will come to you, I'm sorry. You wouldn't get the gold. It doesn't matter if your company in Dubai is a big company. You, as the buyer, you have to come to the office. Dubai and Conakry, you can fly with invitation. We are not a fly-by-night business. Those buyers asking us to bring gold to them, considering as a fly-by-night. You never know that buyer will embezzle us. You never know the buyer might run away. Gold is money. You're buying money to make money. So why should we bring money to you guys? You're silly. Those joker broker, they're silly. You need to read. That's why I put everything on social media and my platform on YouTube in order for everyone to read. So now I rejected in just only 5 minutes of conversation. Good luck. Thank you very much. That's all. So my conversation is live interview by phone. That's all. And if you buy gold, buy a Wilhelmina, I have to be with you. And you are paying my services. We are not bringing to you for free. See, this gentleman, this joker broker, he said the buyer is his uncle. He doesn't know what is the gold business is all about. This is money. This is money. You are buying. You are not buying potato. Even potato, there is a price. So goodbye and thank you very much. Reject. Didn't meet the criteria.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, your group didn't meet the criteria. Didn't.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. And actually, the thing is, they are ready to do the payments. They have credentials. They are ready to provide the credentials. It's not a big deal. Because some credentials are already with me, which they had already shared. But they told me either you can share some credentials and we share from our side too.
Yeah, once I receive the credential, we will send your buyer a formal letter of confirmation. We don't know how many quantity your buyer wants, but that the person.
Our buyer said, if you can provide us 20 kg, they are ready to buy 20 kg. If you can provide them 50 kg, they can buy 50 kg in 2 hours.
Yeah, we can buy. We can.
Is good.
No, we can.
They're already working in.
No, Kerry, you are not. You must remember, you are not buying potato here. This is money you are buying. 20 kilos is already $1 million. You must remember. So we need to have a process. We cannot just bring gold to Dubai to your customer without knowing. We will put that in on paper. We cannot just verbalize. Your network.
I totally agree with you, ma'am, because me also, as a person, I want to take it legitimate way.
Exactly.
I don't want any issues. You understand? I don't want any issues also for myself, for us, for even for you.
Exactly. But the nephew is a very abrupt. He didn't meet the criteria. That's why I cut off, because there's no point to continue. And he wanted to bring the gold to his uncle. No, we don't bring the gold to a stranger. We have to put that on writing. We need to have a contract and how he is able to pay, because gold cannot leave the country of origin. You must remember. The government would not give a certificate of clearance that the buyer did pay the gold.
We can do one thing if you say so. We can make a contract based on based on the payment. We can make a contract like this. Like, if you can bring the thing and we can give you a security for the same thing over papers, that the thing you're bringing is for us, for showing it to us. If we accept it, we'll buy it from you on the same time. If we don't accept it, we'll give you the terms for the agreement.
Well, I've given you the full corporate offer. You are not paying attention really. If you are working for your buyer, you should digest it properly. No matter how I put everything online, you don't read, you don't digest it. Comply it, then we can do business. If you cannot comply, then we cannot give you the product, because gold is money. I know your client is I know your client is looking for supply. His business would not function without supply. So we don't buy any terms and condition of anybody without proving who he is, because I'm very strict. I'm going to scrutinize. Once I receive the credentials of the buyer, yes, we will respond to the buyer. We will send the buyer a letter of confirmation and the contract, right? Before I'm going to release that, we need to know the proof of fund, because 20 kilos is more than $1 million. We are not selling cheap price here. We're not. Our selling price less 8% based on the world market. Take it or leave it, you can have it. Yes. Gold is not potato.
I told you, I even discussed it with someone in Mali. He told me the same procedure. I understand. I totally agree with you.
That's right.
What I'm proposing to you here is, see, I'm proposing to you, if we can make an agreement on the basis of paper, it's not a big deal for them, for you also, but it's just a process which we have to go through properly. They just want to do it like in this way. If you can bring the gold to Dubai, but if you want documentations or help with the documentations for it, they're ready to do. But they want you to bring the gold in Dubai. That's the only main proposition they are asking.
We don't bring gold to Dubai.
They have a refinery there in Dubai. They want to attach it over there and match it with the samples that you brought from your lab.
Kerry. Gold is not a sample. Hi? Listen very carefully. Gold is not a sample. Gold is solid money versus paper money. So solid money cannot be given a sample. You have to test the gold in Conakry, Guinea, because I'm going to place your buyer if your buyer meet the criteria. Now, the gold has to be tested before you receive all export documentation. Now, the gold cannot leave the country of origin without export documentation in the name of the buyer that the buyer did pay. Because the government would no longer allow any gold in Africa, from Africa, to deliver to Dubai, because Dubai is notorious of all money laundering and gold laundering. If your client wanted the gold, he has to travel with invitation. He has to see his order, inspect, then we will taste the gold. Then when we acid the gold, he has to know the carats and the purity. Our gold is 22 plus carat, which is 23. The purity is 96, 97. Then he would get let me finish.
Ma'am, while you are on call, I will share you their refinery. They have their own refinery registered in India. I will share you the details for their refinery.
Okay.
Because, yeah, they have a refinery. They have a bullion registered in India, also in Dubai, also in Oman, also in Qatar.
Yes, I know that. Listen, Kerry. He has a refinery. His refinery needs the supply. Now, before we're gonna deliver, your buyer needs us to know who is the seller. We will provide the seller mining license, export license, etc. We cannot just bring the gold to Dubai to a stranger. Your network is silly-billy. I'm telling you, you're silly-billy. Why? You are buying $1 million. The refinery is your client, are also clever. They wanted to know who is the seller. We will provide mining license, video presentation, who is the seller, and company profile. We cannot just release the company profile without knowing. I'm going to scrutinize your buyer's credential, or else I'm going to reject your buyer. And I have to be with your buyer on the ground. And I do charge my services to accompany the buyer, because your buyer is a big company. I have to be in the office to negotiate on a long term. If I'm not around, I'm telling you, guaranteed 100% you are going to fail. You got me? To your buyer, tell your buyer, my seller is not a fly-by-night business. My seller is a big company. He has 6 companies. But I'm not going to release the credential unless I validated the buyer, unless we invite the buyer, unless I can see who is the buyer. Because the buyer and my head office will sign a contract, not you, not me. I will only countersign the contract that the buyer came to Wilhelmina, because I'm the extension of the seller. You understand what I'm saying here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Go back and explain to your client. Go back and educate them. Because I don't have time to educate people. He is in business, he understood. We are in business, we have the gold, you have the paper money, and we have the solid cash. That simple is that. Central Bank would not allow to give the seller a certificate of clearance without the cash inflow receipt that the buyer did pay. So therefore, we need to gather the buyer's information, and the buyer will gather the seller's information. We will provide the seller, we will provide the buyer, because your buyer is a refinery. That refinery needs the seller's vital information. We will provide the refinery. Your buyer is refinery, we can supply long term. But asking to bring the gold to a stranger, we don't. I'm sorry. That's why I hung up. That is why during the conference, I said goodbye and thank you very much. It didn't work. Didn't work. You understand what?
I understand.
You understand now? Go back and educate your client. It doesn't matter if he's a big company. Good. Why until now he cannot find the gold? Meaning to say, no one will deal with him. Gold is cash. We don't give for nothing. The gold is cash versus your paper money. Your paper money has no value. Gold is gold. Gold is the world asset. You must remember. All right? So go back.
I understand and I agree with you. Don't worry. Let me talk with my buyer. Okay?
All right. Go back and educate your buyer. Thank you very much.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
All right. To all buyers, today is June 28th. I just finished having a conference with 4 joker broker. I call them joker broker. Why? Real seller, real buyer doesn't talk too much. If you bump into Wilhelmina's YouTube channel, I'm telling you, if you're not paying attention, you are going to fail. There are so many buyers looking for cheap price, looking for gold to bring to them. No, we don't. You never know you are a swindler. You never know you're going to rip off. My seller was being ripped off for 24 million. And you were being also ripped off. Most of the buyer was being ripped off as well, vice versa. Now today, we don't do that. Especially if you come to Wilhelmina. Those joker broker hates my guts. So be it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Because I'm going to be strict. And I need to be with the buyer. I need to travel with the buyer. And my services is not for free. Gold is not for free. So you understand that, to all buyers and joker broker? My services is not for free. You're buying $1 million. If you cannot afford to pay my services, meaning to say you don't have the cash. Yeah. Why you ask me to bring gold to your destination? Why you ask Wilhelmina to bring the gold to your doorstep? Gold will not come to your doorstep. It needs an export documentation. Very, very extensive. As a report, ownership, custom clearance, and the government certificate that the gold is free of illegal activity. This joker broker teach us to smuggle it. Why I'm gonna smuggle it? Why? My seller is not desperate. My seller is very rich. If your buyer is on the refinery, meaning to say his refinery needs the supply. What is the cause of the country doesn't get along with? Because of the negotiation. I am here on the middle. I negotiate on behalf of the buyer and the seller. You have not convinced Wilhelmina. This during conversation, this poor joker broker, they haven't convinced Wilhelmina. They haven't. That's why I cut off, because there is no point to continue conversation. Now this video is for everyone. Please read the full corporate offer and listen to this video. Then you come back. Then you come for conference. Make sure that the joker broker and the buyer understand. Why I call joker broker? You are just wasting my time. You did not read the full corporate offer. You found me on YouTube. You found me on my WhatsApp. You found me on the group. And you found me on Facebook. If I am the buyer's agent, I should read so that I will educate my buyer, my seller, Hard Wilhelmina, to educate the world that Africa is not for free. Africa buying precious mineral is FOB, not CIF, not the bank instrument. Where are you gonna get the gold that will give you cost insurance and freight? Therefore, you are going to leverage. Therefore, you are going to launder. That is very simple. Thank you very much. Don't waste my time if you're asking CIF.